I want to share a little secret with you. If you want to create a beautiful home, you don't actually need to renovate. That's right. You don't need to go to all the expense, stress, and exhaustion that comes with making structural changes to your home. So, what can you do if you want to create a beautiful home? Well, I want to share with you how styling is your secret weapon to creating the home you want. You see, the truth is, I've transformed most of my homes just with styling, not expensive renovations. Even better, these homes have been featured in publications around the world and helped me grow my business because I used a process that I've developed over the past decade of working as a leading interior stylist. Now, I want you to know that this process is more than fluffing cushions and buying candles. It's about knowing what will create the most impact without having to spend a huge amount of money or make structural changes. And it's about knowing how to edit your spaces and bring all of the remaining elements together so your home not only feels good, but looks cohesive. And most of all, it's about learning how to infuse your home with your own signature style so that you're not creating a copy of someone else's style. And let's be honest, that's never going to feel right. But you're creating a home that feels authentic to you and is filled with meaningful connections. And that's when you're going to create magic. Sound good? Great. So if you'd like to learn 5 strategies to create your home with confidence, no renovation required, then make sure you join me for a free mini masterclass where I will be sharing why you need to rethink your vision, how your signature style is the foundation for everything, how to create compelling interiors, the key to creating with confidence, and how you can leverage your home to earn passive income. If you've been listening to this podcast for a while and resonate with me and my approach to creating beautiful and authentic interiors and a life that you can love, you don't want to miss this training, which is all new content. It is going to be value-packed, and you're going to leave feeling inspired and completely excited about what's possible for you and your home. So go register now at nataliewalton.com/confident. That's nataliewalton.com/confident. Now, I will be offering a free bonus when you show up live. There will be a replay available, but only when you register. You must register to get the replay. I'll also pop a link in the show notes and you can go straight there to register. Or go to nataliewalton.com/confident. Trust me, you don't want to miss this training. Can't wait to see you there.